हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप यू ऑल आर वेल। सो आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन, दैट इज वी हैव टू स्टडी द एमीन्स। एमीन्स डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द अमोनिया। अमोनिया with nitrogen has a lone pair and its hybridization is sp3, and it also having a tetrahedral structure. Okay, it is also having a tetrahedral structure. When nitrogen is with 3 hydrogen, it is called the pyramidal shape. Nitrogen with 1 alkyl group, that is called primary. Nitrogen with 2 alkyl group is called the secondary. Nitrogen with 3 alkyl group is called the tertiary amine. Okay, so its nomenclature is also there, and you have to read thoroughly and studied well, so you can attempt a question in your exam. First is CH3NH2. Here this we called as methanamine. Why methanamine? Because NH2, if NH2 group is present in any compound, at the end of their name we have to write the amine, because NH2 is a amine. Okay, and there is one also alkyl group. Alkyl group is also present, so that is a methane, that is methane amine. Similarly, when there are 3 carbons, so we call as propane, and with NH2 it is called the amine, propane amine. When now in this you have to see carefully that when we open this compound, this form this CH3 N H and CH3. now अब हम इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? दैट इज एन मिथाइल, वन कार्बन इज मिथाइल, and here it is also have one carbon, it is called methanamine. Okay, and methyl methanamine. जो भी जिस भी नाइट्रोजन के या लेफ्ट साइड और राइट साइड जितने भी कार्बन होंगे, अगर कम कार्बन है तो हम उसे बोलेंगे एल्काइल पार्ट होगा, और जिसके पास ज़्यादा कार्बन है उसके हम बोलेंगे वो एट द लास्ट में आएगा. जैसे ये वाला एग्जांपल आप देख लो, इससे आपको ज़्यादा क्लियर होगा कि अगर हम स्ट्रक्चर को ओपन करेंगे, सपोज H3C N HCH2CH3. नाउ अब हम इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? जिसके पास कम कार्बन है, जैसे कम कार्बन वाला है तो हम इसे लेंगे एल्काइल पार्ट. ओके, और इसको हम लास्ट में लिखेंगे, दैट इज एन मिथाइल इथेनामाइन. ओके, बिकॉज इथेन देयर इट इज हैज 2 कार्बन, सो इथेन and with NH, that is amine, methane ethanamine, sorry, and methyl ethanamine. Similarly, when this has less number of carbon, it becomes the alkyl part. So N methyl, this structure, this portion we called it as propane to amine. Okay, similarly, now here nitrogen is bonded with 3 alkyl parts. This and this have only 1 carbon, so we write it as N because there are 2 alkyl parts, and with less number of carbon, so we have counted as alkyl part. So N-methyl dimethyl, because there are 2 methyl parts are there, so dimethyl and ethanamine. Okay, because nitrogen is attached, it is called the amine. Now we have to study the preparation of amine. First is reduction of nitro compounds, that is कोई भी नाइट्रो का कंपाउंड होगा तो उसको हम रिडक्शन करेंगे उसकी, तो वो बनेगा एमाइन पार्ट. रिएजेंट्स होंगे इसके HCl, Fe, HCl और टिन. सपोज we have to take a compound like this compound when nitro group is present, it reacts with tin HCl, it forms the amine part. Okay, by reduction of nitro compounds. Suppose if we take it nitrobenzene and we treat it as hydrogen, palladium and platinum, it forms the benzene amine, which is called the aniline. reduction of nitro in the presence of tin, iron or hydrogen, platinum, it forms the amines. Now, here the question arises that why should we prefer FeHCl over tin and hydrogen, palladium and platinum? Why? Because क्योंकि जब भी हम रिएक्शन को देखते हैं, जब भी हम ड्यूरिंग द रिएक्शन हाइड्रोलिसिस टेक प्लेस ऑफ FeCl2, it releases HCl and with this need it as a reactant also. That is why we take it FeHCl is preferred more over these two compounds. Because अगर आप रिएक्शन देखो सपोज Fe और HCl की जो हमने यहाँ पे यूज़ किया अमाइन को बनाने के लिए, ये जो बनेगा वो बनेगा FeCl2 and here hydrogen become alone. FeCl2 now hydrolyzed to form the HCl. मतलब FeHCl ने रिएक्ट किया Fe और HCl ने बना ये, उसके बाद इसकी हाइड्रोलाइजेशन हुई तो ये बन गया HCl बन गया. HCl जो है हमें वो चाहिए ही रिएक्टेंट में अमीन को बनाने के लिए, सो इसीलिए हम आयरन HCl को ज़्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज हॉफमैन्स अमोनोलिसिस ऑफ एल्काइल हैलाइड. Ammonolysis means addition of ammonia to the alkyl halide. That is, R exposed, we take it as any halide and any alkyl group. We react with ammonia with nitrogen has a lone pair and it is called the nucleophile. Now ammonia substitute with the alkyl part and X मतलब जो भी halide है वो लगा जाएगा, और जो इसका पूरा सब्स्टिट्यूटेड सॉल्ट है उसको हम बोलते हैं सब्स्टिट्यूटेड अमोनियम सॉल्ट, और अगर हम उसको हाइड्रोलाइसिस करेंगे तो वो बन जाएगा प्राइमरी मीन. मतलब जो ये पूरा रिएक्शन है वो देता है हमें प्राइमरी, गिव्स दी प्राइमरी एमीन. ओके, नाउ सपोज we take the alkyl halide and we treat it with ammonia and we take it out as H and X, मतलब हाइड्रोजन और हैलाइड को हमने बाहर ले लिया तो बन जाएगा वो RnH2, दैट इज प्राइमरी मीन. एंड व्हेन RnH2 रिएक्ट विद द alkyl halide and we take it HX as a out, so it becomes the primary. And when this treated further with the alkyl halide and it forms the tertiary amine, and when tertiary amine reacts with the alkyl halide it forms the quaternary amine. मतलब जो ये होल रिएक्शन है वो हमें देती है प्राइमरी एमीन. इफ दिस रिएक्शन कम इन एग्जाम यू राइट अप टू फ्रॉम हेयर टू हेयर होल रिएक्शन यू हैव टू राइट. Next is reduction of nitrile. As you all know, nitrile means cyanide. That is, this part is called the nitrile and this is also a cyanide, CN. Carbon and nitrogen has a 3 bonds. And when nitrile treated with lithium aluminium hydride, it forms the primary mean. Here 4 hydrogen are there. So 2 comes here and 2 hydrogen comes here. With carbon has becomes 2 hydrogen and nitrogen also has 2 hydrogen, so it forms the primary mean. And when isocyanide is there and we treated it as a lithium aluminium hydride, it forms then the secondary mean, because जो ये 4 हाइड्रोजन है, जो एक इसका हाइड्रोजन होगा वो नाइट्रोजन के साथ जाएगा और जो बाकी 3 बचेंगे वो जाएंगे कार्बन के साथ. इट फॉर्म्स द नाउ सेकेंडरी एमीन. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज रिडक्शन ऑफ एमाइड. एमाइड को हम लिखते हैं ऐसे RC+O विद NH2 and we treat it with lithium aluminium hydride, it forms this primary amine. Okay, same in the case of also nitrile also and amide also, same reagent are there and we have to substitute the 2 hydrogen to carbon and only 2 hydrogen we have to transfer to the carbon. Okay, and it forms the primary mean. Next is this compound and we treat it with lithium aluminum hydride, it forms now primary mean because two hydrogen comes to the carbon and it is called the butanamine. Next is Gabriel पैथैलेमाइड सिंथेसिस. नाउ पैथैलेमाइड कैसे आया? जब हमने पैथैलिक एसिड को ट्रीट किया या फिर हमने उसमें से वाटर को निकाला, OH from here and H from here, it forms this compound. This is called the पैथैलिक anhydride, and when anhydride treated, it forms the पैथैलेमाइड. This structure is called the thalamide, and when thalamide treated with the KOH and we gain the water and we separate out the water H from here and OH from here, it forms this compound. K goes with the nitrogen, and when we add the alkyl halide, only here alkyl means you only have to add the alkane part, not the alkene part. Okay, this I tell you further why only alkane react with the halide and it treated in a reaction, because we have to see further. When alkyl halide treated with this structure, it forms this because here it is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. R goes with nitrogen and K and X become out. ये out हो जाएंगे, मतलब बाहर आ जाएंगे, और जो R है वो N के साथ ट्रीट हो जाएगा. तो इसको अगर हम एक्वस 2NaOH के साथ ट्रीट करेंगे और इसकी फर्दर हाइड्रोलिसिस करेंगे तो जो 2NaOH है वो 2NaO नेगेटिव एंड 2H पॉजिटिव बन जाएगा. इसको अगर हम तोड़ेंगे, जो 2 हाइड्रोजन है वो NR के साथ आ जाएगा, और जो 2NaO नेगेटिव है 1, यहाँ पे 2 है कंपाउंड, एक आ जाएगा इसके साथ NaO नेगेटिव एंड एक आ जाएगा इसके साथ NaO नेगेटिव. दिस फॉर्म दिस ONA and H2 goes with the NR, so it becomes the primary mean. We have to do this whole reaction to take it out only the primary mean, or this reaction gives us primary mean. Now here only we have to use the alkane part, because haloarenes or aryl halide are no reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction, because Gabriel thalamide is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. So we don't take haloarenes in the reaction because it do not transfer the alkyl part to the nitrogen. So we take it only alkane part, that is CH3, CH2. Any halide means chloride or bromide or iodide or fluorine. Any halide you can take, and this reaction whole thalamide gives us the primary mean. This 4 reaction give us the primary amine. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for further notifications. Thank you.